Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week, reporting from CommunicAsia in Singapore, the region's leading communications technology show. There have been some major announcements made during the event, not least Eutelsat's acquisition of the GE-23 satellite, enabling the company to expand in Asia and to respond to their customers' needs. Earlier this week I spoke to Jean-François Lepronce-Ronguet of Eutelsat about their plans for the region.
So we are a 1.2 billion euro company, but it is true that so far our focus has been on Europe, Middle East and Africa. So our clients, let's say our business is 70% for video, 20% for data and about 10% for government services. Now about Asia, we have one position which is 70 East with one satellite today, which is Eutelsat 70A, but we are planning of course to, if we are here, to expand in the region, and by the end of the year we launch a new satellite which is Eutelsat 70B. The position is quite a good position because it covers in terms of geographic position 3 continents, so Europe, Africa and of course Asia, I would say Central Asia, Southeast Asia and a part of Australia. So first the position is quite good, but also I should say that in terms of technology this satellite is quite an agile, if you want, satellite. I'm maybe using a term which is not that used in the industry, but I mean agile by the fact that we can have connectivity, onboard connectivity, which is quite good. So it means you can do whatever you want between those 4 areas, if you want. So Europe, Africa, Middle East and Asia. So either Asia to Asia, for instance, or Asia to Europe, Asia to Africa. So that's quite an efficient satellite that we bring to this part of the world.
There have also been many new products showcased this week. Advantech Wireless has been promoting their next generation VSAT Discovery Hub that has received significant market response. O3B Networks has launched their O3B Maritime solution that provides cruise ship guests and crew with more than 100 times the average international access rates at sea. Speedcast has partnered with Comtech EF Data to deliver cellular backhaul services in Indonesia. The contract is for the Cellcast cellular backhaul service at more than 40 sites. Comtech is supplying the CDM 625 advanced satellite modem with double talk carrier in carrier and the Memotech CXU series RAN optimization products. Talking to Daniel Enns at Comtech EF Data, cellular backhaul is a big part of the business mix for the company.
The mobile operator today has 2 options: enhance his existing infrastructure and provide more services to the urban area, or find new customers in the rural area. And for A or B reason, the rural area is the population demographics are such that there isn't enough concentration and distances are even bigger. And so satellite is becoming and has and will continue to be a very key enabler to be able to provide rural extensions to the mobile operator. And so that's becoming really one of the key focus, how to provide rural, mobile, even broadband to the rural area, which the mobile operator is part of, but doing it very efficiently and being able to provide those services and at the end of the day be also a business that is profitable. And so satellite is enabling to do this lower density, demographics that are more distributed. Satellite is ideal when compared to microwave, and for sure fiber would not be cost effective for that lower demographic and distribution of population.
New tech has ushered in a new era of bandwidth efficiency by breaking the magical 0.5 gigabits per second two-way throughput over a 72 megahertz transponder on a Eutelsat satellite. The breakthrough was achieved using new DVB-S2 standard improvements, including clean channel technology and a new forward error correction code. This advancement is testament to NewTek's leading-edge technologies. It has been noted by several companies that the economic problems in Europe and the slowdown in China are having some impact on the industry. However, as pointed out by Leslie Klein of CCOM, when there is a slowdown in one area, another will usually compensate and pick up momentum, in this case Russia. Satellite operators at CommunicAsia were talking investment, highlighting the huge demand for satellite-based services in the region. With a plethora of new satellites under construction or in development, Asia's hunger for capacity is being addressed. Intelsat's announcement of the game-changing EPIC platform was received with great interest and emphasised the importance of thinking in flexible terms when developing a new space asset and serving a continent as diverse as Asia. SES, on the other hand, feels it has a game changer with their Ultra HD platform, which is almost a cross between HD and 3D. The launch sector was represented by the huge European launch company Arianespace. I took the opportunity to ask the chairman and CEO of Arianespace about the new kid on the block, SpaceX.
SpaceX has a quite interesting offer, and they perform many quite experimental missions, but as I said, we already launched 301 commercial satellites. They didn't launch a single one, so let us wait.
While visitor numbers to the event are down and reflect the current state of the economic climate, the quality is high and has not prevented deals from being sealed. The region is dynamic and diverse and requires forward-thinking companies, all of which the satellite contingent offers.